Yeah, so today I am going to prepare mushroom curry, and this is the raw mushrooms that I just bought it from the market. I'll wash it now and I'll cut into 4 pieces. One mushroom I'll cut into 4 pieces. Then I have the soft vegetables, and I'll make a paste of these chopped vegetables. I cut the mushrooms into small pieces, and now I'll mix some masala, and these are the masala that I am going to put. This is some chatpata chaat masala, garam masala, then kachori methi powder, then onion powder, ginger garlic paste, and then red chili powder. So all this I can mix little bit of cream also. So all I will mix properly with the pieces of mushroom, and then I cook in microwave. Yeah, so my mushroom curry is almost ready, and I have mixed green peas also. So I have given lots of oil, because without oil it won't be much tasty. So this is the secret of mushroom. We have to give enough oil, and my oil is olive oil. I used to put olive oil on the curry, and now my mushroom curry is almost done.